can also use a common denominator to add or subtract fractions. Let's look at 3/4 plus 5/6. Step 1 is to find the least common denominator, or LCD. The denominators are 4 and 6, so we need to find the least common multiple of 4 and 6. One way to find common multiples is to create a list. Multiples of 6 include 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. Multiples of 4 include 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. 12 is a common multiple between 6 and 4. It is also the least common multiple, so we call it the least common denominator. Since 12 is the common denominator, we can create an array that is 3 units by 4 units of 12 tiles to represent our addition of fraction problem. We can also create another array that is 2 units by 6 units to represent the second fraction in our addition problem. Step 2 is to write the equivalent fractions using the least common denominator. First, we must create an equivalent fraction to 3/4 with a denominator of 12, which is our least common denominator. To do so, we'll multiply both the denominator and the numerator by a scale factor of 3, which gives us a new numerator of 9. Notice in our 3x4 array, if we break it into fourths, 3/4 of the array is 9 tiles. Now, let's create an equivalent fraction to 5/6 with a denominator of 12, which is our least common denominator. To do so, let's multiply both the denominator and the numerator by a scale factor of 2. The new numerator is 10. Notice in our 2x6 array, if we break the array into sixths, 5/6 of the array is 10 tiles. Step 3 is to add or subtract the numerators of the equivalent fractions. You will need to add 9/12 plus 10/12 together. With our models, we can count the number of squares representing the two equivalent fractions. With our number sentence, we can add the numerators 9 plus 10 to get 19. This is the same as the total number of squares representing the parts of each whole unit. We leave the denominator the same because we are still adding together twelfths, so our denominator remains 12. Step 4 is to simplify the fraction. The fraction is 19/12. If we combine 3 orange tiles with the green tiles, we have 1 whole and 7/12, which gives us the mixed number 1 and 7/12. Our mission is completed. In your math journal, solve each of the problems using a 2-column T-chart showing the array model next to the common denominator. Then answer the question, how is the array model similar to using a common denominator to add or subtract fractions? Pause the video while you do so, then resume the video to see sample solutions. How do your answers compare to these?